How to create a good hair care routine for men. Simple and efficient hair care routines are the best. The ideal first step is to equip oneself with the appropriate equipment and knowledge regarding the chemistry of hair. You will be able to complete your regimen fast and have great-looking hair, regardless of the kind and texture of your hair. 1. Select your shampoo and conditioner carefully. They weren't all made the same. To ensure that your hair looks its best, pick products that are compatible with your hair type. If at all feasible, choose a sulfate and silicone-free shampoo and conditioner because these products are harsh on hair and eventually make it seem dry and dull. Verify the label. 2. 2 or 3 times a week, wash your hair. Even though you might believe that washing your hair every day is good for you, most people find that to be too frequently. Overwashing depletes your hair of the natural oils your scalp produces to protect it, making it more prone to frizz and fraying. 3. Instead of hot water, use warm or cool water. Showers with hot water are wonderful, but the heat dries out hair. When washing your hair, it is preferable to use warm or cool water. If you must have a blazing hot shower, consider concluding with a warm or cold rinse to ensure that your hair dries lustrous and healthy rather than frizzy and lifeless. 4. Instead of hard toweling, use a spot dryer on your hair. Since water causes the keratin molecules in hair to stretch, hair is weak when it is wet. Because of this, using a rough towel to dry your hair can damage it. Instead, pat your hair dry with a towel to remove any excess moisture before allowing it to air dry completely. 5. Don't use too much gel or pomade. Using a gel or pomade while your hair is still damp will make your hair look freshly styled throughout the day if you prefer a tidy, organized look. 6. After using a product, comb your hair. If you applied a product, comb your hair to evenly distribute it. Next, make a neat part on either side of your hair and style it however you like. 7. Sparingly blow dry your hair. The fastest way to dry your hair is with a blow dryer, but using one every day will eventually start to harm your hair. Leave the dryer off and let your hair air dry if you're worried about thinning hair. 8. Keep longer styled. You'll need to take a few more steps if your hair is longer than an inch or 2 to ensure that it looks fantastic and is healthy. 9. Frequently visit the barbershop. Even the best routine won't help if your hair is already untidy to begin with. Some guys have it cut once a month, while others only need it done every 3 months. Establish a routine and stick to it. 10. In the shower, give your scalp a massage. Blood flow is improved during massage, which promotes hair growth. It can support both hair growth and hair maintenance. Rub your scalp in a circular motion with your fingertips, paying particular attention to the regions where your hair is thinning. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.